Go, birdie. No, he's not moving.
Oh no.
Uh-oh, his foot is moving a little bit. Are you sad, Cassie, that Maggie?
And maybe slower, Kuya.
Yeah.
Maybe slower.
You want to help
My
the bird?
foot.
Cassie, take off your foot.
I can't.
Is it stuck? Oh no, the bird. I think he's gone.
I can. Oh no.
The bird is gone. Oh no.
What's
Are you
his
sad?
mother? And what's his mother, Kuya?
I think he fall down from the sky.
Oh no.
He fall off way up there like them.
Yeah.
He fall down.
Oh, I fell down in the sky.
Look at him.
Hey, what's his
Right.
mother, Kuya? Hey, what's his mother?
There.
Hey, what's his mother, Kuya?
Maybe it's over there somewhere. Over there, look.
Hey, Mom, he was mother swimming.
Yeah. The mother don't know if he's still here. Uh-oh, he's breathing, I think.
Kuya, look.
Yeah.
That's his mother.
Yeah, that's his mother.
Yeah, he's swimming.
Oh no.
He's swimming, Kuya. You're into this baby.
He's moving, Cassie, he's moving. He's trying to get out of the floor.
Come on.
No, you're not gonna climb up, Cassie. When Lolo get back here, maybe we can ask Lolo. Oh no, what happened to his other leg? Oh, there it is. There's his other leg.
Hey, what's his mother, Kuya?
He left him.
There's the mother.
Yeah.
There's his mother, Kuya. There's his mother.
Yeah.
He's swimming with him.
Yeah.
His baby.
No, no.
Whipping baby. It was my way. I forgot your baby.
You say, maybe the dragonfly hit him in the butt. You
Oh,
say dragonfly.
Kuya, he was his mother.
I think he
Run
left
away.
him.
You forgot your baby. They're not talking for me.
Yeah, 'cause he's a bird. They can't understand you. But try to say quack, quack, quack,
Quack, quack, quack.
so they can understand you. Keep saying it.
Quack, quack, quack.
One more time.
What?
One more time.
Quack, quack, quack.
I think his brother responds to him. Say it one more time. Louder.
Quack, quack, quack.
Louder. He's waking up. Do it louder.
No, this is baby.
Yeah. Cassie, come on. Oops. Come on, Cassie.
See, and they can get up.
Oh yeah, he can't get up. Cassie, say quack, quack, quack so he can get up. Say quack, quack, quack.
His butt. He wants his mother, Kuya.
What did the dragonfly do?
Yeah, it's his butt.
The dragonfly stung him in the butt.
Kuya, look.
Oh no.
He's pulling the ground.
He's pooping in the ground?
Yeah. The cell got mad. It got mad.
Our neighbor?
Yeah, it got
No.
mad.
I think they're sleeping. They can't see him. Oh no.
Where's he?
Say bye to the camera.
Bye, camera.
Say it one more time. Quack, quack, quack so the mom can hear you.
Quack, quack, quack.
Louder.
Mommy here.
Louder. Say quack, quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
Say bye, camera.
Bye, camera.
Say we will let the bird go away if we found out how.
Where's his dad?
Ooh.
Get away from me.
I'm sorry. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Say bye to the